Yeah, Florida 24 Bravo Echo Charlie Whiskey on a silver Kia. I know like this.
250 westbound Commonwealth 24 Bravo Echo Charlie Whiskey.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights, and it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement.
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
77, 35. I'm proper driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 for 94. The driver just slammed the door and locked it.
Call your supervisor.
Yep.
Unit 2570 unit 1050 at West Palm and Commonwealth.
25 If anybody responding, come in from Commonwealth, block the vehicle, please.
I'm coming west on Commonwealth. I'll be there in a sec.
Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Yep, my camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. No, he's under arrest. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Vehicle's blocked in. He's locked it up. He's putting the window down on the passenger side to talk to 2574. Hey, I'm about to break the window. I'm about to break the window.
Alright, go for it.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands.
Here.
1033 at 1521 hours.
What is your reason, sir? Step out. What is your reason? Step out now.
Get on the ground.
No, don't fucking.
Get on the ground.
Put your hands behind your back!
I'm resisting.
Hands behind your back!
What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was gonna walk.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
Fucking talking shit, bro. I'm doing, bro. What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No, bro.
Yes, bro. Yes.
That's a lawful reason, bro. You gonna throw my phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off of you, bro.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
That's not gonna work.
You just got gotta see Lieutenant Ray if you haven't already.
So your partner didn't even ask.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is. So why close the door if you see him pull up? Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, bro. I didn't do nothing.
It's called resisting, idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong, bro.
I don't know.
Can you back me up to the car so I can lean up? What up? You done bugged my bro.
25. So you can start rescue. 1067. Approximately 30-year-old Bravo Mike. Last race still lip.
2570.
I'm gonna go around and get in this car. Okay.
That ain't good.
I know. We should have put some gloves on, bro.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What you need? You need tissue?
You good?
Yeah, you or him? Okay.
Well, get rescue for you too, homie.
Clear for rescue to proceed.